It's no surprise, and many people notice it's harder to build muscle as they age. In today's world, many are concerned about maintaining strength and muscle tone past 40. And we're constantly being told that aging means losing muscle and strength. But there is one powerful compound that could change that narrative, making anyone able to preserve and even increase muscle mass at any age, particularly when it's needed most. Today, we're diving into a secret that doesn't just benefit bodybuilders, but anyone looking to stay strong, energized, and healthy for years to come. Welcome to Levitas. To understand muscle health, we need reliable ways to measure strength and predict longevity. One common tool is grip strength, a quick indicator of overall muscle health and even life expectancy. Studies reveal that grip strength can accurately reflect upper body strength, and a stronger grip has been linked to lower risks of cardiovascular issues and age-related diseases. Another key indicator is walking speed, particularly at a fast pace. Walking speed can signal cardiovascular fitness, muscle function, and metabolic health, all critical markers for longevity. In fact, research shows that people with faster walking speeds tend to have lower risks of chronic diseases and are more likely to live longer, healthier lives. A third marker is sit-to-stand performance, which involves transitioning from sitting to standing, but without using your hands. This seemingly simple task reflects lower body strength, balance, and core stability, essential for mobility and independence. Regularly assessing grip strength, walking speed, and sit-to-stand performance gives a comprehensive picture of muscle health, allowing you to spot declines early and act fast to preserve strength and vitality. Essential amino acids, or EAAs, are the building blocks your body cannot produce on its own, meaning they must come from your food. Of the 20 amino acids, 9 are classified as essential, including leucine, isoleucine, and valine, especially crucial for muscle protein synthesis. EAAs play an indispensable role in muscle repair, growth, and recovery. They trigger protein synthesis, a process by which the body builds new muscle tissue, making them a cornerstone for anyone aiming to increase or preserve muscle mass. When it comes to muscle growth, essential amino acids are powerful because they provide the complete array of amino acids needed to stimulate muscle protein synthesis effectively. For those over 40, maintaining an adequate intake of essential amino acids is even more crucial due to natural muscle loss associated with aging. Experts recommend consuming about 15 grams of essential amino acids per day, either through high-quality protein sources or supplements, to optimize muscle health and prevent atrophy. By consistently meeting your essential amino acids needs, you give your muscles the resources they need to grow, strengthen, and recover effectively, promoting a fit and resilient body as you age. Leucine is often highlighted among amino acids for its unique ability to directly stimulate muscle protein synthesis, acting almost like an on switch for muscle growth. This is why it's especially powerful for building and preserving muscle, making it an invaluable tool for anyone focused on improving muscle mass. Leucine works by activating the mTOR pathway, a key regulator of cell growth and protein synthesis. When mTOR is activated by leucine, muscle cells are prompted to grow, adapt, and become stronger, enhancing both muscle size and function. In addition to its role in growth, leucine also supports muscle maintenance, particularly important for those over 40 when muscle breakdown accelerates. Regular intake of leucine can help counteract age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, making it essential for maintaining strength and function. For effective muscle growth and maintenance, most experts recommend a leucine dose of around 2.5 grams per meal, depending on body size and activity level. By incorporating this specific amount, you optimize the mTOR pathway and create an environment in your body that favors muscle strength and resilience, regardless of age. Timing and pairing are key when it comes to leucine. While leucine can be taken by itself, research shows that its effects are maximized when it's consumed as part of a protein-rich meal. This is because leucine works synergistically with other essential amino acids to stimulate muscle protein synthesis more effectively. When taken with protein, leucine not only enhances the overall amino acid profile but also boosts muscle repair and growth. Eating leucine with a meal also supports steady blood sugar levels and can improve overall nutrient absorption. Since leucine is a fast-acting amino acid, taking it during meals allows it to activate the mTOR pathway in an ideal time, especially after exercise or periods of fasting, when muscle repair needs are highest. Additionally, Having leucine with meals makes it easier to reach the recommended dose of 2.5 grams, as protein sources like beef, eggs, chicken, and legumes naturally contain leucine. So, to make the most of leucine's muscle-boosting power, include it with balanced meals, turning each meal into an opportunity to strengthen and maintain muscle. Leucine has an interesting effect on leptin, which is a hormone primarily responsible for regulating hunger and energy expenditure. By influencing leptin levels, leucine plays an indirect role in muscle preservation and strength. When you consume leucine, it triggers a slight increase in leptin, which in turn helps regulate your metabolism and energy use. Higher leptin levels can signal the body to maintain lean muscle mass, a valuable effect for anyone aiming to prevent muscle loss. Leptin's impact on muscle goes beyond appetite regulation. This hormone has been linked to increased metabolic rates and improved energy balance, both of which support muscle strength and overall health. Higher leptin levels can also reduce the risk of excessive fat gain, helping maintain a lean physique that facilitates muscle function and growth. In other words, by keeping leptin levels in check, leucine not only helps manage weight but also indirectly supports muscle preservation. For those over 40, when hormonal changes can lead to muscle atrophy, leucine's dual impact on muscle synthesis and leptin regulation makes it an ideal compound for sustaining muscle health and strength. So, once you are in the path of muscle health, it's essential to watch out for muscle loss. But how can we do this? Atrophy markers are indicators that can help track muscle loss, giving you insights into when and where muscle deterioration might be occurring. Common atrophy markers include measurements of limb circumference, such as the size of your biceps or thighs, as these areas are often affected first by muscle loss. Regularly tracking these measurements allows you to easily spot early declines in muscle mass, signaling the need to adjust your fitness or nutrition strategy to prevent further loss. Muscle strength tests, like grip strength or lower body exercises, are also valuable atrophy markers. Weakening grip strength or difficulty with previously manageable exercises can be early signs of muscle atrophy. Additionally, body composition analysis tools, such as bioelectrical impedance scales, offer insights into muscle versus fat mass, helping monitor changes over time. By keeping an eye on these atrophy markers, you can actively manage muscle health, ensuring that you're making the necessary adjustments in diet, exercise, and supplementation to maintain strength and prevent loss. This is valuable for everyone, especially for those over 40, as muscle atrophy often accelerates with age. In conclusion, monitoring strength and longevity indicators like grip strength, walking speed, and sit-to-stand performance provides powerful insights into muscle health and future resilience. Essential amino acids and leucine play a foundational role in promoting muscle growth and preventing age-related loss. Essential amino acids fuel muscle protein synthesis, while leucine specifically activates the mTOR pathway, which is crucial for muscle repair and adaptation. For optimal benefits, consuming leucine with protein-rich meals enhances nutrient synergy and muscle support. Additionally, leucine's influence on leptin levels aids in maintaining energy balance and lean muscle mass. Tracking atrophy markers like limb measurements and strength tests empowers proactive muscle preservation, fostering long-term vitality. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.